Today I have a quick unboxing of a Tisas ZIG PC 1911, otherwise known as a Duty SS45R. So the Duty SS45R is a stainless steel full-size 5-inch 45 with a picatinny rail. So all I've done so far was take it out of the box, wipe some of the oil off, cock it a couple times, and pull the trigger. I put it back in the box to film, and here we are. There's a beveled magazine well, an undercut under the trigger, the picatinny rail that I already talked about, black accents with an ambi safety Novak style sights, beaver tail, black plastic grips, one Mekgar magazine, a barrel bushing wrench, a cleaning brush, a cleaning jag, the owner's manual, the handout from the ATF, a chamber flag, and this little tag that was on the trigger guard that says forged 1911, forged frame and slide, series 70 internals, uses standard 1911 magazines, HBM, hardened before machined. I gotta tell you, in the couple of minutes that I've had to handle it, it seems like it's extremely well made. It's very tight. Seems to have no obvious machining marks or weird little anything. It looks beautiful. It's great so far. I'm going to take it apart, I'm going to clean it, and then I'm going to test fire it. As always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.